They're still the best.
Another win. Good job, bud. See what happens when you leave your dragon to wait outside? He knew Toothless wasn't with me just before the armory fire. So he lives on the other side of the island. What was he doing in town? And how would he know where we were before the fire?
You really think he set that fire?
I think he did all of it. And I think he did it so my dad would get rid of all the dragons.
That's a pretty serious accusation. How are you gonna prove it?
Let me go get the dragons. At least if we have them, Dad, we can defend ourselves.
Go. But be careful. You don't know what Alvin is capable of.
What do we do now?
Go to the woods and warn my father. I need to get ahead of Alvin and warn Mulch and the others.
Keep moving!
Leave her alone.
Hiccup! What are you doing?
I'm the Dragon Conqueror.
You? Stoic's little embarrassment?
I drove the dragons from Burke. Look around. You don't see any on this island, do you?
It's true. All the dragons are afraid of him. He even conquered a night fury.
Bluffing.
Am I? Well, there's only one way to find out. Take me to Dragon Island. Fury. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Oh, stop! It will only make him angrier. Watch and learn.
Hey, what are you doing with that dragon?
By the way, it's not really Dragon Conqueror. It's Dragon Trainer. Now! Closer! It's our chance! Come on!
Oh, shoot that dragon down!
Astrid! Look out! Hold your fire! He's got Astrid!
No! He's right!
Thank you!
Fire again, Hiccup! All of you!
Everyone! Fire into the water!
Fire!
At what?
Everything!
Astrid, hop on! Here we go, guys! Hit him with everything you got! Hear that, bud? And I may not be able to prove what you've done, but I will never forget it.